stop struggling with blurry AI art. Look at this detail. We're zooming in on a native 4K image, not upscaled, not enhanced, but generated clean in one pass. You know the drill. You try to push your AI model past 1024 by 1024, and you get ugly banding artifacts, weird repeating patterns, or those classic deformed hands. I'm solving that today. We are installing DyPE, Dynamic Position Extrapolation. This is a free upgrade that lets your existing Flux models generate professional-grade 4K images instantly. First, I'll prove this isn't just a hype. Next, I'll show you exactly why the old way failed. Then, I'll give you the precise step-by-step setup in ComfyUI to start generating native 4K images right now. Let's dive in. I've tested this rigorously. Look at these results. DyPE corrects a lot of mistakes the base Flux model makes, especially with hands and eyes. Standard Flux causes morphing and hallucination, but DyPE generates coherent, detailed images at massive resolutions. This is true native resolution detail. Moving on, let's talk about why the old method fails. AI models build images in stages. It's called spectral progression. They start with low-frequency details, like the broad shapes, and then they add high-frequency details, like hair and texture. The problem is previous methods just tried to stretch the canvas, making the AI lose its structural focus, leading to blurry results or artifacts. DyPE fixes this. It's a training-free technique that dynamically guides the AI. Early on, it helps with the large composition, and later, it shifts focus to nail those high-frequency textures. This is how you unlock the hidden potential of your current AI models for massive print-quality art. It works with the new Flux models inside ComfyUI to create stunning, coherent, high-resolution art. Getting it running involves a specific workflow. You have to combine the right Flux models with the DyPE node, and it requires a few crucial settings to get right. If you don't know the proper configuration, you'll get stretched, distorted images. It's an incredibly powerful tool, but it's not a simple one-click install. So, if you want to learn how to do this, there is a step-by-step tutorial. It walks you through everything, which files to download, exactly where to put them, and how to configure the entire ComfyUI workflow from start to finish. There's no need to guess. If you want to start generating your own 4K images today, go to this website to watch the full in-depth guide. So that's it. You now know how to generate true native 4K images with DyPE. This is going to save you so much time, and your image quality is just better. Finally, go ahead and test this out. If this tutorial was helpful, snatch that like button. Subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.